Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PES. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Pretty crazy movement. Really not, I was going to say today, but Monday was also wild. When you look down here at the volume, you can see basically the past couple of days, volume has really kicked it up another gear. So an interesting setup though going forward. And really the easiest way to kind of illustrate what makes this interesting is the price is slowly but surely creeping its way upwards via that trend line right there. So past couple of days, like I said, the volume kicked in, and with all the up and down action, the price is slowly creeping upwards. Now, there's still plenty of work to be done, and just because, and I really wish trading was this easy. I wish I could say that because this trend line is in place, that this thing's getting ready to explode up to, $1.25, but that's not quite how the market works. My point is that the price is slowly making progress, so it at least makes sense to think, hey, you know what, maybe it's trying to bottom out, because keeping things in context, from the bigger picture point of view, this price has absolutely been getting beat down. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have, then I'm sure you've seen stocks that look like this where they get beat down and then all of a sudden they can produce some pretty nice bounces. Now, sure, it very well could just be a dead cat bounce, but from a trading perspective, those are still profitable. So that's why it's worth at least keeping an eye on and seeing if this trend line could potentially be some sort of leading indicator of a dead cat bounce or some sort of, snapback movement to the upside. Now, if there is going to be any sort of worthwhile movement to the upside, the key level of resistance that's going to need to be broken is that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average, which is in the world of charts. That's just a very famous, level where when the price is down below it, it does tend to act as resistance, and the price really needs to try its best, to break up through it. So keep an eye on that. Right now, it's valued at 80 cents, but remember that is a moving average, so that line will continue to move as the week plays out, and therefore that value will move and change around too. But all in all, very interesting setup going into Wednesday. Got the upwards trend line after a severe beatdown, so we'll see if this is any sort of potential bottom that's taking shape or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.